Alright, so boom, turn me out, don't turn me down. We back at it with another video today. We got the Avalanche versus the Kings, April 23rd of the 2026 NHL playoffs. Let's get it, first period. Kings up in this series 2-0. Colorado looking to go up 3-0 in the series. Kings looking to get their first win of this series, man. Kings fans, y'all better treat this like a game 7. Because if y'all go down 3-0 to this Avs team, it is over with. Shot stop. We in LA for this game now. Last two was in Colorado. Nathan McKinnon with the puck. Looking around the net, shot, save.
Who's been outstanding in this series, and the Kings get it out. Oh, what an outstanding save.
Shot, wide.
I thought Devon Taves was going to fire the puck, and he made the beautiful pass, and what a stop. Edmondson with a shot off the stick of Nichushkin. Brent Clark goes to work. He'll accelerate.
The pass.
Off for Panarin. He'll wind it back. Artemi Panarin, a winding shot blocked by McCarr.
Shot block.
Captured by Anze Kopitar. Clark up top. He'll wind along for a shot kicked out by
save.
Wedgwood. Kopitar takes over again. Wide open. Joel Edmondson.
Shot, stop. All right, there we go. Turn me up, man. Let's get it.
As LA's trying to jumpstart
battling for the puck. Kings got it.
Good. I think I'd be really happy with the start.
Shot.
Dumoulin shot.
Save.
And frozen by Scott Wedgwood. The handoff for Josh Manson. He'll wind it in. Gabriel Landeskog will send it
moving
deeper.
The puck around.
Nick Waugh, the overtime hero from Game 2, sings the pass for Landeskog. His shot wide.
Shot wide. Oh, go! That's a goal! Bang! All right, Avs up 1-0. Great start. Let's get it.
Colorado is off and running.
Well, remember we saw the one shot at the other end, and
look at Roy, man.
Used the word vibrant off the end boards. Landeskog fires his puck.
Yeah.
The end boards, and not sure if it goes directly in. Oh, yes, it does.
Yep.
That should be Landeskog's goal, I believe. Now, I don't know if Kadri gets a piece of this or not, but it's irrelevant.
I think that's Landeskog. Yeah.
Yeah,
that's Landeskog goal. For sure, for sure.
Question. But we've seen it now, one at one end.
Went off the goalie right there.
Major damage.
A year ago,
damn, Kings fans, how y'all feel about that?
Appearance in their lineup.
All right.
More than 2-year battle with injury. And he gets the
pass, shot, save.
Shot denied by Wedgwood. Samuel Hellenius, a force there by LA's Cody Ceci. Hellenius for Jeff Malott.
Oh, another hit.
The puck is free along the boards. Malott centers one for Hellenius. There he is.
Shot.
Good shot and a better
all right,
save
saved
by Wedgwood.
Seeing the rewards. Outstanding job on the fly.
Kings win the draw.
Stick save by Wedgwood.
Stick save right there.
The corner. Nick Waugh plays the body on Cody Ceci. Landeskog one more time. Indirects it. Taves. McCarr.
Shot.
The shot.
Save.
By Forsberg.
Damn, he got dropped right there. Y'all seen that?
With a shot swallowed up by Forsberg.
Dropped him down right there.
It's tipped off Wedgwood. Excellent tip by Kempe.
Oh.
A jailbreak for Colorado.
Shot.
Wide. Stick of Brant Clark. Fed in from the point, denied by Forsberg. The Ferrier springs Byfield. Here he comes. Byfield
shot. Save.
Swallowed up by Wedgwood.
Like to see Kuzmenko shoot that puck.
Kadri with a steal and
a pass. Shoot it! Saved!
Kelly.
Damn it!
He'll take it in, throw some snow at Kuzmenko, do it again. He goes off the side of the goal, and it's frozen by Forsberg with some traffic in front from Lehkonen.
And keeping plays live.
All right, got a face off.
Playing 200 feet away from Forsberg.
Kings win it.
2 for 9 in the series on the power
shot.
Play.
Save.
Shut down by Wedgwood. Drew Doughty at
Kings
the
power play. 53 seconds on it.
Doughty up top to the outside. A shot taken. Wedgwood.
Good save by Wedgwood.
The bid by
let's go. Tell me about Wedgwood.
Dumoulin goes deep. Malinsky for Colorado. Scott Lawton. They acquired at the deadline. It's centered back by Jared Wright. Brock Nelson draws it away from Edmondson. Now McCarr with a shot. It goes high and it's held in by Manson, but turned over.
Oh, shit. Oh, second period. All right. Good first period, man. Avs up 1-0. Just need them to hold on to this lead. Keep it steady in it, too.
Trevor Moore gains the zone with Alex Laferriere.
Shot.
Kicked out by Wedgwood.
Good stop.
The rebound now manned by Mikey Anderson. Before checking by Natchez. Anderson turns it over. McKinnon takes over.
Shot.
With a
Save.
What a stop by Forsberg. Mark that one.
Come on, man. Turn me up, Bridgewood. Having a great game.
Tipped on. Denied by Wedgwood.
Denied.
Hellenius out in front. No further play.
They about to drop the gloves. What's going on?
Intended for Mikey Anderson. Cale Makar will take over. He does the same. Now Waugh. Landeskog. Back for Waugh.
Shot!
Tight. Stopped again.
Stop!
Forsberg with a scrap.
Hold up. Got a scrap.
Was off the stick
going
of
on.
Picked up by Trevor Moore. He'll power in out in front.
Shot. Stop.
On the doorstep. Natchez back out.
Great pass there by Moore on the back end.
Nope, no turnover. Oh, yep, turnover.
By LaFerriere for Byfield. Backhanders.
No! That's a goal for the Kings, y'all.
I'm not sure he knows he was clipped.
We got a tie game. Damn, that puck just sneaked in there.
The turnover by Kulak.
Yep, it's a turnover.
To Byfield.
It's a turnover that cost the Avs, y'all.
Hard to the net.
Cost the Avs that goal right there.
That's Josh Manson.
Dan got called for high stick and 2.
Oh, you talk about a turning.
Puck is rescued by Nichushkin, and now Lehkonen through center.
The pass.
Down Nichushkin with
shot. Stop.
Save Forsberg.
No rebound chance for the Avs.
Will wind it.
Got to get that goal back.
Picked up by Lehkonen. We'll go low to high for Devon Taves. Cale Makar. Picked up by LaFerriere. Winding shot.
Shot. That's a goal! Bang!
From downtown. And in game 3, Colorado.
2-1 Avs. That's how you do it. Exactly how you respond. Avs fans, where you at? Let's go, man. Come on. Great shot.
Cale Makar was moving right.
Woo!
And look at the mass of humanity.
Oh, yeah.
No chance for Forsberg. He probably heard it. He never saw it.
Autumn in front of Forsberg, there's no way he could have saw that.
Sammy Hellenius.
All right, got a 4-4 right now.
With a shot, nice stick save by Forsberg.
Third period, it comes down to this, y'all. Face off, Avs win it.
Bill Curran back with you. Crypto.com Arena game number 3. Colorado leading this best-of-7 series, 2-0. Kempe.
Kings on the power play, a minute on it. Shot. Got blocked.
Lehkonen shorthanded with O'Connor. 2-on-1. Lehkonen.
Pass. Shot. Shorthanded goal. That's a goal. Shorthanded goal for the Avs.
Force the issue. Gets the goal. Shorthanded.
3-1. Come on.
The fan shot by Kempe. There's O'Connor. And watch Lehkonen. He's going to try to make the pass and then off the skate.
Yeah.
Of Kempe and beats Forsberg.
Off the skate. Hey, we'll take that.
And a 2-goal lead for the Avalanche.
I'll take that off his skate into the net. 4 minutes left. Come on, Avs, y'all got this. Empty net for the Kings right now, too. Kings on the power play. Minute 48 on it.
Working around. Panarin with a shot. They score. Tipped out in front. Kopitar was
power play goal for the Kings. Down by 1 score now.
They talk about it.
4 minutes left, too.
And Adrian Kempe will lead the way to the bench. And
all right.
he's within 1.
Avs got to watch out.
There's many abilities, individual skills of Artemi Panarin that we can blow at, and the accolades that separates him from a lot of players in the league. But when he decides when he wants to shoot the puck, Johnny,
that's nasty work.
He finds a way to get.
Look at that, y'all. Boom.
Shots blocked.
Landeskog to the
all right, 2 minutes.
Wound out.
Need the Avs to hold on to this.
Get him out of there. You got some tired players out there for Colorado.
2:29 left in regulation. 3-2.
They gonna make a line change. They just pulled their goalie.
6 skaters out, yawning cage.
Empty net goal! Ah! That's the dagger! Soon as the Kings pulled out their goalie, the Kings turn over the puck. Talk about timing. That's the dagger. Avs win. They're about to go up 3-0 in this series.
Squirts to the slot.
That puck out of here. Good stop.
2 seconds left.
Avs win. 4-2. 1 win away for the Avs, and the Kings is out of these Stanley Cup playoffs. Comment down below how y'all felt about this game and that, and I'm going to catch y'all on the next one.